Welcome to the top best. The best Auburn Eyebrow Powder is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone with red hair looking to perfectly define and enhance their brows, as finding the right shade that complements auburn tones without looking too harsh or unnatural can be a real game changer for framing your face and completing your overall makeup look with a soft, yet impactful finish. Number 5. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit. Achieve salon-quality brows from the comfort of your home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for flawless definition and shape. With 6 versatile eyebrow powders, you can find your perfect match. 5 unique stencils guide you to create your ideal brow shape effortlessly. It comes equipped with a dual-ended spoolie brush for precise application and blending. Plus, high-quality tweezers ensure every stray hair is managed. The included brow wax helps set your look for all-day wear. A subtle highlighter adds a lift and brightens your brow bone, completing your polished appearance. Looking for a thoughtful present? This all-in-one set makes a unique and cherished gift for any woman, perfect for birthdays or special occasions. What we like? This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for perfect brows, from multiple powder shades to stencils and tools. If you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution or want to experiment with different brow styles, this is an excellent choice. Its versatility ensures you have every tool at your fingertips. What people say. Number 4. LAVONE Makeup Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for flawless eyebrows. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to define and enhance your natural beauty. Say goodbye to uneven brows with its innovative stamp pencil. It ensures quick and symmetrical application every time, making your routine a breeze. Its waterproof brow pencil and pomade offer incredible staying power. They resist smudging and fading, keeping your brows perfect all day long. Beyond brows, it also includes a high-quality eyeliner. This addition helps you create a complete and captivating eye makeup look effortlessly. The dual-ended eyebrow brush provides precision and versatility. Use it to blend, shape, and perfect your brows for a professional finish. Available in a rich dark brown, it perfectly complements a variety of hair colors. This shade ensures a natural yet striking appearance. What we like? This kit stands out with its innovative eyebrow stamp, making brow application incredibly fast and easy. If you're always short on time but still want perfectly shaped brows, this product is designed for you. It also includes other tools for more detailed work, offering great flexibility. What people say. Number 3. $1 Billion Brows Eyebrow Powder, Taupe. Discover the secret to beautifully defined eyebrows. This powder is designed to enhance your natural beauty with ease. Experience a luxurious, velvet-smooth pressed formula. It glides on effortlessly, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Its buildable formula allows you to create anything from a subtle enhancement to a bold, dramatic look. Plus, it's water-resistant, keeping your brows perfect all day. Feel good about your makeup choice. This eye makeup is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with your ethical values. Available in the versatile taupe shade, it's ideal for a wide range of hair colors. Each compact contains 0.07 ounces, perfect for your daily routine. Elevate your brow game with this exceptional powder. It's your go-to for achieving stunning, natural-looking brows. What we like? This powder delivers a velvet-smooth finish that's both buildable and water-resistant, perfect for creating natural yet defined brows. If you prefer a traditional powder application and value ethical, high-quality makeup, this one is a fantastic option. Its formula ensures long-lasting wear without compromising on your values. What people say. Number 2. Waterproof Brow Pomade, Dark Brown. Achieve perfectly sculpted eyebrows with this amazing pomade. It helps you define and fill for a flawless look that lasts all day. Don't let rain or humidity ruin your perfect brows. This formula is completely waterproof, ensuring your makeup stays put no matter what. Experience confidence with a smudge-proof and sweat-resistant finish. You can go about your day without worrying about your brows fading or smearing. Designed to blend seamlessly, it provides a natural appearance. This product enhances your features without looking heavy or artificial. Crafted for universal appeal, it suits all skin types and tones. Everyone can enjoy beautiful, well-defined eyebrows with this versatile makeup. Applying it is simple and straightforward. You can effortlessly create stunning brows with its smooth texture. What we like. This pomade is engineered for ultimate durability, offering a waterproof, smudge-proof, and sweat-resistant finish. If you lead an active lifestyle, live in a humid climate, or simply need your brows to stay put all day, this product is your go-to. It provides reliable, long-lasting results no matter what your day brings. What people say. Number 1. NuBeauti Mineral Eyebrow Powder Kit. Discover the secret to flawless brows with this exceptional mineral eyebrow powder. It's designed to give you a natural, polished look effortlessly. This natural brow makeup kit helps you achieve beautifully defined eyebrows without looking overdone. Its unique formula blends seamlessly with your existing brow hairs. Included is an angled contour brush, perfect for precision sculpting. It allows you to color your eyebrows precisely, ensuring every stroke counts. Achieve beautiful, perfect, and professional-looking brows right at home. This kit empowers you to sculpt and define with expert precision. Available in a rich dark auburn shade, it provides a natural yet striking finish. This powder adheres well, ensuring your brows stay perfect all day. Transform your look with ease, even if you're new to brow makeup. Its user-friendly design makes achieving stunning brows simple and quick. What we like. This mineral powder offers a natural approach to brow enhancement, coming with a precision angled brush for expert sculpting. If you prefer natural ingredients and need a specific, rich auburn shade to perfectly match your hair color, this product is ideal. It allows for precise application to achieve beautifully defined, natural-looking brows. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.